We're at the mall and we just went to Charley's. And show them what you got. Wow, that's just magnificent.
The food
There we
speaks
go.
to you.
Oh yeah, Philly cheesesteak right there.
That's good. Oh shit. That's crazy.
Is that a camera?
Yeah,
Not little.
yeah, it's a GoPro.
Huh?
It's a GoPro. It's like an action camera. Oh
Riding
yeah, they put them on.
bicycle.
Yeah, one of those.
Oh. But how do you watch it?
You can get it out of the SD card,
Oh,
or
on
you
the
can
back?
watch it on here.
Can
Yeah.
you transfer it to something bigger?
Yeah,
Where did you buy it?
but they have a website, GoPro.
What's the name?
GoPro.
GoPro?
Yeah, GoPro.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
To spy on people.
Yeah, I guess so. You could.
Thanks.
Have a good one. Nice guy. What would you rate your meal?
8.5. Really good.
That's not bad. I'd say mine is like a 7 out of 10.
Actually? No, this was excellent. I think a 9. I think a 9, yeah.
9, okay. Dang. Alright. Well, thank you, Charley's Philly Steaks.